Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one Bitcoin website that you can earn more than $200 per claim. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the website name is FreeBitcoin. Went up to $2,000 per claim. And if you new in this website, link in description, just create your email, password and referral link and click sign up. You can sign up in this website. Now I log in myself because I have already account. This is the website that working much more years ago, and this is still working, and this is very great website, and you can claim every hour. And you can see this is the all website BTC you can earn. Just click solve the capture. This is the tractor, solve it and click roll it, and you can earn your coin. I earn 80 BTC and 2 lottery tickets, 2 reward points. Okay, now it's my BTC is 43. You can multiple your BTC with the here. Okay, just you can go to auto increase it to 100%. You can start the beat. This will be starting the beat automatically, and you can see you lost or you win. Okay, just you can pause it. You can see you win 2 BTC. Okay, and you can do much more, and you can roll it and until you earn much more. Okay, right now I earn 3 BTC like this. In here you can go to beating. This is the all beating platforms. You can start beating to any clap any one. This is the beating amount, which team will be the NBA final champion. Okay, you can beat. And here is a 2 team, Los Angeles Lark. You want to beat in here. I copy this all zeros because I have 48 coin. I earn 51 coin if I beat in here. I beat my whole coin in here for winner. Okay, you can wait after this much hour. You can see how much you can earn. This is the price going up every seconds because a lot of people come here and they invest their BTC in here. Okay, and you can still beating to any other things you want. Just go to back and beat another things like election of America election, which president will be the next president of United States America. The Donald Trump is this much percent, another one. You can start beating with here. Okay, and you can beat to anyone you want, and you can earn much more. Okay, and you can go to another things is earn BTC. You invest your BTC in here. Okay, and you can earn much more after much more days or years. Your total invest in earning, and right now I didn't invest in here. You can invest if you want. Okay, and another thing is referral. If you invite your friends, they pay you your referral link payment. I receive 1 referral. I recent 9 Satoshi of 1 referral. Okay, this is all about. You can earn much more if you your referral is much more. You can earn very high from this website. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. This website link will be you find in description. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.